I decided to get a breast aug with Dr. Hobar because I was very insecure about my size and I just wanted to look natural, and he did a very good job at achieving that.
I love doing breast augmentation, and as long as it's done right, it looks very, very natural. It really doesn't look like a woman has had breast augmentation. It just looks like she's got a naturally great figure. And Lindsay came to me, and she's got a real small frame, and she wanted to look very, very natural.
His procedure, the way that he does breast augs, are different than most doctors. He doesn't go under the breast or through the nipple. He actually goes under the arm, so you don't have any scar. And it looks like a skin fold, and it disappears.
The breast augmentation can be done, the most common way it's done is an incision on the bottom of the breast. And you know, in some patients, particularly if they have a little extra breast tissue hanging over the fold, that's a fine way to go. On a very young patient, like Lindsay, and really on many patients, I prefer not putting any scar on the breast at all, and I like going through the little crease in the armpit. My bias is to do it through the armpit because it can be done exactly the same as going through the bottom of the breast or the nipple, but it doesn't leave any scar on the breast.
The recovery process is pretty easy. I was out for 2 days. I didn't do anything. It's almost been a year. All the scarring's gone down. I haven't had any problems. I am very, very happy with the results. I feel great. I love how they look.
The breast augmentation is a relatively easy surgery for the patient to recover from. There's really no restrictions on what they can do. They're going to be sore in the muscle because I really believe that the implant should be placed under the muscle. That allows the breast to look and feel more natural because it's got more natural tissue covering it. It's also important because the muscle provides some internal support. So years down the line, there's not going to be excessive stretch on the skin. It's going to be supported by the muscle.
My overall experience with coming and having surgery with Dr. Hobar was great. I feel really good now that I've had him done. I love him.